So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I have this Nike Downshifter 11 shoes. So let's unbox it. So you can see this box. Okay, wait. I also uploaded a smart video of this. You can see in description. So this is, I love unboxing. Okay, about these shoes, these are the Nike's premium shoes as brand claim. Let's see how they look like in real. Okay, wait. Okay, finally low. So finally we have this. Finally we have this Nike logo box. I love Nike shoes as they are very premium and best in quality wise. I'm so excited about these shoes. Okay, wait. Let me take it out for you. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, this is I think this is bill. I will not show you. Okay, let's put this aside box. Here is nothing. Let's see. Okay, wait. Okay, now let's see our finally Nike logo shoes. This box feel premium. So this is the Nike. Here you can see a detail of the shoes, Nike Downshifter 11. Okay, this is the Nike's traditional box. They have made this shoe box for I think every shoes. So Nike don't use plastic, so this is I think paper or something. And this is shoe, and here is another shoes. Okay, yeah, I think this is all in the box. Okay, so you can see these shoes. Wow, it feels like very good. Wow. Here you can see this Nike logo, and you can see here this 3D logo. This 3D logo looks very amazing. Lots of people buy these shoes for this logo, but I think this shoes very good and looks premium in hand. I love 3D part of logo. And shoe is very good. I can say that clearly. As you know, Nike is a very reliable brand. You can go for these shoes. You can see both shoes, 3D logos. This shoes looks very good. Or this is 2D logo. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.